Hi, my name's David McNutt. I am all in for InfoComm 2021, right? I hope all of you are too. And I'm going to be teaching a workshop that's called Rebuilding Business Strategies. And so much has happened in the past 2 years since we haven't been able to meet that has disrupted our companies. And so if you're a CFO, an owner, a CEO, a vice presidential level at your company in sales or ops or human resources, this workshop is for you. What we're going to do is rethink how to retool, reinvest, retrain, restructure, redesign, and refocus our business strategies that have come under so much pressure. So I hope you'll join me on Tuesday, October 26th, for Rebuilding Business Strategies. See you in Orlando.